Hello everyone. In this demo video, we will be discussing about pair trading. Pair trading is one of the important and useful tool for short-term traders. Pair trading is going on long on one stock and going short in another stock. Clicking on pair trading, you can see 4 tabs. First one feasibility test, then test lab, then scanner, and the last one watch list. As of now, we are looking at the feasibility test. You can see 2 parts, metrics and chart. Here in metrics, you have the idea about relationship between different stock in a sector. Moving ahead, you can see the select sector. You can select your desired sector. As of now, we are taking auto sector. Here you might see some sector it's not similar with the exchange sector. Reason for that is this sector have all the particular stock that are in the derivatives on that particular sector. Then you can select the model. Here you have 3 models. First one is correlation, which tells about how 2 stocks are correlated to each other. The second one is co-integration, tells about how price change in one stock will affect the price change in second stock. And the third one is advanced co-integration, which is concept proprietary model based on co-integration. We are selecting correlation. Look back period is by default 40 days as it is not a very long period or not a very short period. You can also select as per your requirement. Let's suppose 38. We will apply it. Now you can see the metrics. The green box indicate a very strong correlation which is above 70. The yellow indicates stable correlation which is in between 40 to 70. And red indicate very less correlation which is below 40. Now we will select co-integration and apply. As you can see that there are many black boxes that indicate that those 2 stock does not have any co-integration and you can avoid the pair. The 99 indicates strong co-integration, 95 indicate average co-integration and 90 indicate less co-integration. You should always be selecting pair which have the good correlation as well as good co-integration. Now we will select one pair. We are taking Escort and Hero MotoCorp. As you can see, we are on the chart section. Symbol A is the first stock, that is Escort, and second symbol B is Hero MotoCorp. The look back period is 40 trading days and look back chart is 250 trading day based on 40 days rolling period. Moving to chart, you can see the orange line indicate the model you have selected and the blue line indicate the ratios. Ratio is defined as the price of stock A divided by price of stock B. In chart you have all the models, correlation, co-integration, advanced co-integration and Z-score. Z-score tells about deviation from mean. Let's select Z-score. Apply. Now on the chart we have the Z-score as well as the ratio. We can also see on the table view. Now here we have the date wise Z-score and ratio. Moving towards the distribution. Distribution table tells how the data is distributed. If the data is on the middle, then data is near to the mean. We can also see the distribution table as in line chart or bar chart. We also have the full view. You can also customize the data as per your requirement. Thank you.